I guess for me, yun nga, sobrang hirap ng conditions just because we're always shooting outside. And during that time, medyo unpredictable yung weather. So, minsan pag, alam mo yun, pag nag-start na po kaming mag-shoot na blue skies, tapos biglang uulap, we kind of have to wait a bit kasi iba yung lighting. So, ang daming beses na nakaka-cancel yung shoots just because of the rain. Tapos yun nga sabi nga ni Direk, yung a lot of the driving parts kasi doon, especially yung sa mahabang kalsada, I was really driving. So yung merong drone shot doon, nalala ko Direk, merong drone shot doon na minsan sasabihan ako bagalan mo, bilisan mo, bagalan mo. So medyo tricky siya, but honestly it was really fun. And ako yung bagong experience ko dito, as you can see naman parang 2 beses lang ako nagpalit ng damit sa buong show. So contrary to my other roles before na laging malinis, laging maayos yung buhok, ganyan, dito naman po sobrang dumi ko. Gumugulong sa dirt, tapos yun nga, what I really like is how gritty the whole series is talaga. Tapos I also love that Stacy is a bit boyish. You know, before kasi very feminine yung mga role ko. This time around, like I really had to think of mannerisms na hindi usual na ginagawa ng mga characters ko before, or that's a bit boyish. So, yun yung bagong experience for me for this project.